Not in any way inspired by the Hey Dougie stick, we decided to make some little stick people for the garden. First we had to collect some suitable sticks, so we set out into our local woods and responsibly collected some small sticks. I must admit, I worried about onlookers who might have thought I had my child collecting firewood.
There you go.
But I'm not that cruel. Besides, the chimney's currently blocked and I need to send her up there to clear it out. Once the sticks were home and on my workbench, we cut a small mouth into them with my pole saw. And Ellie coloured in the mouth with some Sharpies. I ideally would have painted the wood, but she was a little impatient. Then the mandatory googly eyes were added, as it's not a proper thing unless it has googly eyes. I did this myself, as the self-adhesive on the googly eyes wasn't good enough to stick to the rough wood, so I had to use some super glue. We then stuck hair onto them with PVA glue, and this consisted of some twine and some wood shavings. And finally we planted them in the garden so they could look after our freshly sown seeds. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks all!